Well, guys and gals, we're back out on the water and we've got Linda Lewis with us now. Oh yes, and it's all out war on these fish now. If you watched the last video, you saw that one of my lures was chopped in half by a great white. I don't think so, but anyway, it's all out war. On this rod, that's my bottom fishing rod that you saw in the last video. That's rigged up with a couple of worms. Yes, thought we'll try a bit of worms on the menu. And then I've got another rod here, a new carbon rod with a bit of fake bread on it. Oh yes, bit of fake bread. So I've just tried that, and then of course on this one I've got the infamous lures. But I've been fishing for an hour and caught nothing. Smart fish, I told you. I did tell you. And let me show you this. Let me show you this. Spare me for a minute. Right. There's the fish. Look, can you see that? Let me give you a close-up. There's the fish. And it tells me the depth. 2.8 metres. 3.5. Can you see him coming in and bleeping? You see? This is the Lowrance Fishfinder. It's the Ti 7-inch, and this is the seabed. Obviously, that's the surface of the water up the top. Look at all these coming in. You can hear them bleeping. Look, see? Hope this camera's picking this up. But you see where I'm coming from now. So the idea is to basically just drop them at these depths. So there's a bigger fish there, but it's in the middle. It's not really deep. We're in 5.9 metres worth of water, which is basically 18 foot deep. Okay, you can hear it bleeping. So there we are. So that's where I was coming from with regard to the Fishfinder. So it's a lovely little spot where we're at. It's a little cove. We're totally surrounded by seagulls and aeroplanes. Yes. So there we are. So there's the fishing rod holders I fitted. There is a video of me fitting the fishing rod holders, which was fun. It's not easy to do. It looked quite easy, but springs and mechanisms and all sorts of weird things. There's my other one. And these seem to be the only fish I catch, wooden ones. But anyway, we'll see. I'll keep you posted if we catch any fish. All right, rock and roll. There's a pirate ship, guys, and they're having a party on board. Can you hear the music? Every night's a party night, guys. Every night's a party night. Even the seagulls are enjoying it in mid-flight. We have a lovely little spot here. I've got one lure out. Got a few boats over here. Look, we've got our cover for. All right, Linda Lewis. This is Linda Lewis.
Hello.
I know a few of you subscribers have met her before. Not to mention them puppies. But anyway, oh yes, I'm cheeky, aren't I? But yeah, I know what this guy's trying to do. He's dropped his wife in the water, but it's quite rocky around there, so. Don't know what he's doing, but anyway, yeah. So we're just chilling out. I've got one lure in, guys. I've got one lure in, and see how that goes. We'll try a bit of real bread as well, so see how that pans out as well. Having a good time. We were just listening to some Pink Floyd, and then the waterbound nightclub goes by. The pirate ship, the Black Pearl. Oh yes. Well guys, is this not just the life? I've got a lure out there that's swimming beautifully, and I will show you a video. I'll go in the water so you can actually see the lure doing its job. There's the rod, as you can see. I've got some bread on that one, that rod there. And we've got Linda Lewis bopping to the music, which incidentally is Cara Emerald from Holland. Beautiful. Oh, there's my phone. Hold on a minute. Hold the line, guys. Right then, guys, I'm going to show you this lure. how it's not that lure. The gold? No. I'm going to show you how the fish, how the lure swims in the water. I think you might find it quite interesting. It looks quite realistic actually. If you saw the last video, no wonder it got chopped in half. Anyway, I'll put one on this time, so instead of two. So I'll show you the video now. Rock and roll. Here we go. Hey guys, well, here's the sonar, look. That's the seabed, and as we're going out in the bay, it's getting deeper and deeper. You see that? That's the surface of the water, and that's obviously the little bit of a weight that we're causing, because we're only going slow. We seem to be going the wrong way as well, Linda.
Where are we going?
We're going to Libya for some cheap cigarettes. Apparently there's a corner shop there. Right, so there we are guys. That shows you, that's the water temperature, 25.9 now. It has actually been 26.4. Fuel, that's my tilt for the engine. And here's the seabed. So hopefully you found that interesting guys. And now we're heading back to across through the bay to the port where we moor the boat. Oh yes. Okay guys, so enjoy. Ricky's over there, my buddy Ricky, and he's doing a bit of trolling, so we need to straighten up there, babe. That's it, lovely. And there we are, rock and roll. Had a lovely day out on the water, aren't we, Linda?
Yeah, it was lovely, yeah.
But I didn't catch any fish. I tried fake bread from China. I tried real bread from the local shop. I tried a lure, and I tried fake worms from China, eBay. A packet of worms. In fact, I think we've got some actually. Yeah, here they are. Look at these. These were the two worms I had. There they are, look. And you just stick the hook through there and they wiggle. It's made of rubber. And they look quite good, but no, these fish, as I said in the last video, are just too damn smart. No wonder the Greeks a few years ago just used to drop dynamite in the water to catch them. Anyway, but Rick's trolling at the moment with the lure on, quite a big lure, probably about 5 times bigger than my lure. And so we'll see how he gets on. Rock and roll. See you in the port. Boogie on.